So Tobejan, this is a very good incentive that you're doing, an initiative, because as you know that we are very much involved in the youth of this country. You know, we are very big into youth empowerment, sticking with culture, giving the youth opportunities to uplift themselves and move from the disenfranchised to give them some sort of support in this day and age. So for us to give you uncapped free internet to your office resonates exactly what we want to do and what we do. So it's an absolute pleasure to give you this free service at your office for you to continue the good work both locally and internationally with the Babukisi Foundation.
Thank you very much, Mr. Falkoma. On behalf of Babukisi Foundation, I really would like to relay my sincere and heartfelt gratitude for this kind gesture. It will indeed go a long way in helping us fulfilling our dream as Babukisi, because we really want us Emaswati, especially the young ones, as we are growing, we need to be rooted right in our culture. So we wish you all the best in your business. May the good Lord bless you. And we also hail His Majesty the King, because whatever we do in this country, we do it on his behalf and on behalf of all the Emaswati. Thank you very much. We would like to say bye to no Pagati.
Bye to when we are Pagati.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Tobejane, and thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to assist you in your campaign to bring cultural awareness to the children, something that really resonates with us at Wanderport.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure's ours.
Thank you.
Babukisi Foundation, lwati nebuve ingcebo.